Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily download and install Google Chrome. So let's start. So the first thing, you want to open Edge. If you don't have Google Chrome, I right now have it, but I'm going to show you how you can easily again download it. Right here Google, and you need to search it through the Google on Microsoft Edge. In here in search, write download Google Chrome, and then we see right here download Google Chrome browser, and here you're gonna see the browser built by Google, download Chrome. And here we have it, Chrome setup, open file. I press test here. And it's downloading right now. So what you have to do is just wait. And it will be installing soon. And let's just wait until it's going to load. Please wait, waiting for install, and this is pretty much it how we do it. And then you're gonna have installed Microsoft in your Windows 11, and this is how you can download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. Guys, definitely write down below in the comments if this video helped you, so when the other people would come here, they were like, damn, it's really helpful, it works, and I can watch this video installing. And here we go, look at this. Here I got it. So this is how we do it, and this is how we can simply install Google Chrome on Windows 11. Write down below in the comments that it helped you. Google Chrome on Windows 11, how you can download and install. Have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.